Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be addressing a common issue on Instagram, the message unavailable error. If you've encountered this problem while trying to view messages on Instagram, I'll guide you through the steps to fix it. To start, simply click on the group icon or the name of the friend whose message you're trying to view. Once you've clicked on it, scroll down until you find the option for Read Receipts. If it's currently turned off, toggle it on. This step is crucial to resolving the issue. After enabling Read Receipts, continue scrolling down until you see the option to Move to General. Click on Move and the chat will be relocated to another section. Once you've completed these steps, you should now be able to view the message without encountering the message unavailable error. That's it! By following these simple instructions, you can easily resolve the issue and access your messages on Instagram hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.